Pop.
Here. Are you recording it? Yeah. Yo, don't open. What are you doing? Okay, open it. Ready?
Don't do that again.
It's okay.
Oh my god.
We have a lot of popcorn, actually. Look at all the popcorn. Don't open it.
I'm not opening it.
Ashley. Little Miss Sickness making popcorn, right? And go watch a movie.
Hey, you take picture of me.
It's on video.
Huh?
That means they can hear everything you're saying.
Take a picture of me.
Okay.
Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me.
Okay, open it, open it, open it. Popcorn flying out and crap. Look at Zen. Zen's like, oh, do it again, do it again. What is it, Zen? What is it? It's like on those movies that people leave like the popcorn on the stove and it pops and goes over. Are we gonna make more? Oh yeah, we need to go get a pot. Alright. It's recording.
I'm still cooking it though. We need butter.
We got spray butter.
You gonna use spray butter?
I don't want spray butter.
We need salt.
No sauce.
Sounds done.
No
I
salt?
don't hear popping.
No? Oh, popcorn.
Woohoo! Look at that! Popcorn! I see some kernels.
Who cares? All popcorn has kernels in it. We gotta make more anyways. Wow, it's like not even butter. Look, it's just plain popcorn. We
Yeah,
did the
but we
old
made
we did the old
popcorn.
fashioned way. I put it in the
Yeah.
bowl.
We made popcorn. How
Thank
awesome.
you.
And a ball.
Put it in the bowl.
See, there's still a lot of kernels in it.
Yeah, and they're still popping too.
Yeah, put it back on the heat.
The dogs are enjoying this.
Isn't it there?
Peanuts behind you too.
Was it?
Step away from the popcorn.
It'd be cool if we had the clear one. But there you
There
go.
you go again.
Move then.
Take a fallen.
Don't put too much salt. Get off the salt.
Step away from the salt. No, I made some good ass popcorn, guys.
You didn't like it?
I don't like the popcorn.
It's got no butter on it.
Here, try a piece of salt. I put salt on it. Better now? Yeah. It's time to
Hey, what are you doing? Zen. Peanut, you want some popcorn? You want some popcorn? Good to give your dog popcorn.
Popcorn. Popcorn.
This is like when you need a song and just be like,
Popcorn.
is it good, Chrissy?
Oh yeah. I make some good popcorn.